So, manifesto is these four values. Now, we also have 12 agile principles. I will share the picture of that, but they are, I can read them through customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery of valuable software, welcoming change requirements even late in development, delivering working software frequently. Business people and developers collaborate daily, build projects around motivated individuals and trust them. Face to face conversation is the most effective communication. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Sustainable pace. Teams should be able to work indefinitely. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design. 10th is simplicity. This is the most important principle. Simplicity, not with very complex process and procedures and plan. It should be very simple, transparent, well collaborated with the stakeholders. Yeah, its simplicity maximizes the amount of work not done. Self-organizing team. The team should be self-organizing, self-managing. This is a very important keyword. Trust me, when you use these keywords, only then an interviewer or anybody gets to know you have good knowledge about the agile or scrum. You should not use a layman, working on our own. That's not acceptable in agile terminology. You should be able to use self-managing team, self-organizing team. Just catch these keywords. They're very important. Next is regular reflection and adaptation. So again, continuous improvement. So Scrum, Agile, we are servant leaders who are working continuously for improvement of the product in collaboration with the stakeholders. Okay, so yeah. Next we come over is Mm, iteration and incrementation. So iterative and incrementation. Okay. So you know, Scrum is an iterative and incremental both approach. So what is iterative? Iterative is repetitive for the better version of a product, repeating certain processes to generate a refined product, repetitive of the processes to generate a next upgraded version of a product is called iterative. Which iterative is like, build, review, gather feedback, again build. you know so incremental is parts by parts development. So we develop part by part. One part we develop, we gather feedback, we develop next part, we gather feedback. So part by part development reduces the risk. Our scrum is iterative and incremental approach both. So okay, next we come is Scrum pillars. So there are three Scrum pillars. So how you can memorize, first of all, Scrum pillars is by TIA. Scrum pillars TIA. I'll tell you. So TIA is TIA. T is transparency. Now what I mean by transparency is like we are transparent to our stakeholders. We do not give last minute shocks to the stakeholders. We always share the increment, we always share our product backlog, sprint backlog, Jira user story, progress. Everything is transparent with the stakeholders. They have full access, they can go and check. We have frequent communications with the stakeholders. We have retrospective for continuous improvement, reflecting on what we have done and what we can improve. So yes, transparency. Inspection. So we are being inspected frequently. We share our feedback to the stakeholders. They give us, sorry, we share our product to the stakeholders, they give us the feedback, and that's how it has been inspected. We capture the feedback, we are ready for change. That's how we are continuously improving. So we are continuous improvement team, right? So inspection, so we inspect, you know, you can inspect, you can bring these values in your day-to-day activities as well, day-to-day life as well. You inspect yourself every day, like every day when you sleep, just inspect yourself. Are you a better version than yesterday? Are you version 2? If you were version 1, were you productive enough? Have you done any small change today that made you better than yesterday? So that's how we inspect ourselves, and that's how we inspect our products with our stakeholders. So since it's a mindset, it can be brought in our day-to-day life as well. The more you will bring Scrum in your day-to-day life, the more better you will understand, because it's a way of working, right? Just remember this. Okay, third is adaptation. So we as a Scrum team, as I said, are adaptive to for continuous improvement. So whatever we are inspecting, we are adaptive enough to process the changes to release a better version of a software. All right. Okay, I think we'll stop this session today here. So this session we covered about first agile, what is agile, and then what is its manifesto values, agile values. Then we discuss incremental and iterative approach. Then we discuss Scrum values and Scrum pillars. Take notes, repeat this session again and again to understand better. If you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comment section. I make sure always I reply to each and all the comments. Okay, so just go through that, and yeah, hit a like button and subscribe if it is valuable to you. We see you tomorrow. Bye.